All right, on the bench today we've got the 1972 Yamaha R5C 350 that had an issue with second gear skipping or popping out of gear. Only happened in second gear and no other gears other than that. So posted a question on Facebook on one of the RD or Yamaha air-cooled pages, and one of the guys there commented that it might be a bent second gear shift fork. Everybody else said it was going to be a bad clutch. I had hoped it was going to be a bad clutch just because that's an easier option, but all the symptoms were really pointing towards a bent shift fork. Long story short, I ended up talking to the guy on the phone. Pretty great guy, super knowledgeable. Had one of these bikes in the yesteryear, and so kind of gave me the inside scoop on these things. Apparently, second gear is, which is this one right here, is a little bit weak, and under high load, if people have been racing them or shifting really hard, that will bend, and then it'll start to pop out of gear whenever it's shifting pretty hard. So see if I can shift. So put it into, well, there's first. So in first gear, second's obviously not engaged. Let's see if I can, well, here we're in second gear, and really this is where you can start to see that when these pawls are kind of overlapped, there's really not a lot of tooth engagement between between these two gears. And in fact, it's kind of hard to see on the video, but it's actually almost sitting on the bevels of those gears themselves. So a lot of opportunity for slippage if it's under high load or anything like that. So just by comparison, kind of take a mental picture of what that looks like. If I shift it to third gear, you can kind of see the extreme difference of overlap right here, where this has almost full engagement, where the second gear really was missing a lot. So again, just by comparison, not a lot of tooth engagement there. So got two courses of action on this. Either I need to take some sort of a wrench or something, put this shift fork in the vise and bend it back, or my other option is to try and find a replacement online, probably on eBay or something like that. And I have found that there's actually quite a bit of potential resources available. So it's really hard to see, but maybe there's some bend in that fork, maybe compared to this one. That one's kind of straight up, that one's definitely kind of leaning towards the side. I think it would be possible to bend it back. These are steel forks, so I'm not too worried about damaging them too much, but definitely want to do the right thing to make sure that this bike's going to be good to go. I'm not planning on racing it or anything like that, but even just from a commuter standpoint, I want to have confidence that this thing's not going to break down on me somewhere randomly. All right, thanks for watching.